says, I've got a retail store that's a destination location. I'm adamant about first impressions, such as a clean and neat storefront outside. Perfect. A well-groomed yard. Excellent. I'm with you so far, Larry. Clean delivery vehicles, including snow removal done well, etc. Am I wrong? And if not, how do I convince my employees? Okay, dude, you had me and now you've lost me. You should be adamant about first impressions. So no, you're not wrong. And I'd say beat it out of them. That's a joke. We're not saying about beating employees. There's no one talking about violence or anything like that. But you have to beat them out of it, meaning you're going to have to just come up with lists and say, when we open the store, these 10 things have to be done. And in 4 hours, these 10 things have to be looked at. Just like, in the restaurant bathrooms or airports, you see that list of checklists, and you have to develop their eyes to see it. So another way to help you with this, Larry, is go find your competitors and grab one of your employees one day and go take a look at it. The thing that bothers me is when I go up to a business and there's 20 cigarette butts around the outside of the front, which tells me the employees are bored and they've been standing out there with that. Or you walk into the store and there's handprints all over the doors, or you go through and there's lights out where they shouldn't be, or any number of things. So you have to develop their eyes to see what you see. And then the next time you go to another retailer, maybe not even your own, somebody else, not a competitor, whole different type, and then ask them what they see. And so just start training their eyes for it and say, what is that message that they're saying to people really do? Because oftentimes we're not aware of what we don't. And if they don't seem to understand that, then I always say, your service is no longer needed. Thanks very much.